Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to keymap this MK84 keyboard today, and we have to connect the keyboard in by the Type-C wire. And okay, the backside button, it has to be in the middle position in wired mode. And now we're going to download the software. We go to www.mathewkb.com and we find the driver and MK84. Here it is, and here we see we have a 1.0 and 2.0. Actually 1.0 is enough for you, because 2.0 this is same. Because of some compatibility issues, some keyboard they cannot connect their keyboard to their computer, so we have another one. And now I think 1.0 is enough for you, so please download this one directly. If you cannot connect your keyboard with your computer with this, you can try the second one. I already downloaded the software for you guys, and it is in my desktop, and we just run this. Yeah, here is we already connect the keyboard. This is the main interface, and when you start install this software, it will show you language option. If you prefer English language, you have to choose English language before install this, or it will show you Chinese language. And here we're going to set key. Yeah, we can restore this keyboard first. Okay, now we're going to set this keystroke. For example, if we want to set this end key to our Windows key, if we want to this end key to be the Windows key, how we're going to do this? We select this end key, and we can select this Windows key and save. Okay, now you can see what will happen. Yeah, you can see we press end key. This is Windows key now, right? Okay, if you want to set this home key or this if you want to set this like this key to Q key, we can see we just set this home key. We select this home key, and we can select this and we press Q. Yeah, we save from here. Okay, now we saved. We can see what the home key will give you. Yeah, we can type home key. It is Q now. It is Q now, right? So we can set any of these keys if you want.